dear Sicily lovers!
Hello everyone!
Ciao! We are fine.
We are still waiting for Domenico.
Yeah, he's a little bit lazy. Wants to spend more time here in my belly.
He's smart. He knows that it's worth staying there.
Yes. Oh, look at my belly. Look.
Today is May the 1st. It's a holiday here in Italy, and we decided to take a walk, a stroll in Terracini, and the beautiful promenade behind us, the beautiful Praiola beach.
It's a beautiful seascape.
Mwah! We love you.
We will let you know, of
Yes,
course.
yes.
Love, hugs, and kisses from
From
Sicily.
Sicily. Ciao.